All right. Well, last one, culminating everything we've learned. You knew it was going to come, and here she is. All right. So this is one that's going to combine what we have learned in trig, Pythagorean theorem, and surface area. So from the other unit. So Leroy needs to wrap the following prism with a plastic paper. What is the minimum amount of wrap he needs? That's our surface area. And if the wrap was that, how much the price, how much does it cost? And that's going to lead into our next unit of finance and money. So first, what we got to do is figure out the surface area. So we know this side, 2 meters. That means this guy's also 2 meters. And this one's also 2 meters. And we know that this one is 3 meters. But we don't know this side. We don't know the bottom. Okay. Now this video is going to come in 2 parts because the first part is going to be calculating all this. And the second one is going to tie in our surface area and our money. So let's just take the triangle that we have. Okay. So we have this guy here that we need to find out. Okay, we know it's 20 degrees, 3 meters. We need to find this. Well, that's tangent, right? Because if we look at SOHCAHTOA, opposite, adjacent, together they're the tangent. So this is the op, this is the adja. So let's plug it into our formula. Tangent equals opposite over adjacent. The tangent of 20 degrees equals 3 meters over our adjacent. We know these two can switch. So it's going to be the adjacent equals the 3 divided by the tan of 20. All right, we calculate that in according to our calculator. Now I got to turn mine on because it keeps shutting off. It's on my phone. So we type in 3 divided by the tan of 20 is going to give me 8 meters. So we know, going back to this triangle now, that this is 8 meters. Well, we got to figure out this last side here. There's 2 of them. All right. How do we do that? Well, we know 2 sides of a triangle. We know to find the third side, we can use Pythagoras' theorem. We can redraw the triangle just to clear things up. All right. We know this is 3, this is 8. I'm going to make this A, I'm going to make this B. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 8 squared plus 3 squared equals C squared. 64 plus 9 equals C squared. This is going to be 73, right? 6, 9, yeah, it's C squared. Square root of 73 equals C. If I type that into my trusty calculator, I get 8.5. So for our purpose, we're going to round that up to a 9 meters. Now, do we have enough time? Yes, we do. We have basically all the numbers we need to figure out our surface area. Okay. If you look at this part here, we have a rectangle that's 9 meters by 2 meters. Right? There's the 9, there's the 2, 9 and 2. On the bottom, we also have a rectangle that's 8 meters by 2. On the back side, we have a rectangle that's 3 meters by 2. And finally, we got 2 triangles that are 8 by 3. So, surface area. That will be in our next video. Make sure to pay attention.